good day everyone. Our topic is all about stylistics. So, what is stylistics? Stylistics, it is a study and interpretation of texts of all types and or spoken languages in regard to their linguistic and tonal style, where style is the particular variety of language used by different individuals and in different situations or settings. It is concerned with the linguistic features of a literary text, example, grammar, lexes, semantics, as well as phonological properties and discursive devices. So what is the purpose and of stylistics and why is it important? Stylistics examines the creativity in the use of language. It enhances the way we think about languages and its uses. Thus, the stylistic processes examining the creativity of language use develops our understanding of literature. Then, what are the types of stylistics? The types of stylistics: computation stylistics, lingual stylistics, literary stylistics, general stylistics, textualist stylistics, interpretative, cognitive, decoding, reader response, expressive, affective, pragmatic, and forensic. So, when we say computation stylistics, it is focuses on the computation, such as using the tables, computers, and other mathematical things. And then lingo stylistics, it is the study of literary discourse from a linguistic point of view, studies the linguistic nature of the expressive means of the language, their character, and functions. Literary stylistics, it is the composition of various literary genre the writer's outlook, or it is more on focusing the storytelling. General stylistics, this is stylistics viewed from the broad notion of the linguistic study of all types of linguistic events from different domains of life. It is used as a cover term for all the analysis of non-literary varieties of language or registers. Textualist stylistics. This type of stylistics is engaged in empty technology of a text. Interpretative stylistics. This is the practice engaged in by most stylisticians nowadays. This interpretative stylistics means this is more on interpretation on how you interpret the text given. Cognitive stylistics combines the kind of explicit, vigorous, and detailed linguistic analysis of literary text that is typical of the stylistics tradition with a systematic and theoretically informed consideration of the cognitive structures and processes that underlie the production and reception of language. Decoding stylistics is the most recent trend in stylistic research that employs theoretical findings in such areas of science as information theory, psychology, statistical studies, in combination with linguistics, literary theory, history of art, and literary criticism. Reader response stylistics, it examines the reader response to a text as a response to a horizon of expectations. By horizon of expectations means that there are various interpretations of a text and reader access them according to their level. In this reader response stylistics, it is based on how the reader responds the text we have reading. Expressive stylistics is writer or speaker oriented. It represents the personality of the author. In this expressive stylistics, on how the author expresses his feelings on his or her writings. Affective stylistics is focused on the consumers and it is reader or hearer oriented. And in this affective stylistics, it is the reader's affect orientation. Pragmatic stylistics, it focuses on part of forensic linguistics. Through the stylistic analysis of language use, it is possible to determine the author of text. Now, what is involved in the stylistic analysis of a literary text? Stylistic analysis involves the analysis of various styles used in language to derive the desired meaning or theme of given text. It involves identifying the various ways in which authors of literary works or poets can convey their message, example through an indirect and hidden pattern. The purpose of communicating a quality and meaning in a text. Then next, what are the two broad types? The two broad types are the literary stylistics and the linguistic stylistics. When you say linguistic stylistics, it explores the linguistic features of a text. It is primarily concerned with the use of language and its effects on the text. It has to do with a stylistic study that relies heavily on the scientific roles of language in its analysis. What are the some key features that can be looked at in a linguistic stylistic analysis? The some features are the phonology, syntax, grammar, and semantics. What is phonology? Phonology is the study of the sound patterns that occur within languages. What is syntax? Syntax is the arrangement of words in sentences, clauses, and phrases, and the study of the formation of sentences and relationship between their component parts. Next is grammar. What is grammar? Grammar is the rules of a language governing the sounds, words, sentences, and other elements, as well as their combination and interpretation. The word grammar also denotes the study of these abstract features or a book presenting rules. Last is the semantics. Semantics is the study of meaning in language. It can be applied to entire text or to single word. Now, what is the difference between literary and linguistic stylistics? Literary stylistics, a linguistic style is the style of the actual language, such as whether the ascending forms